Okay, let's come to Unit 9, page 9 of the Graded English Reader, Book 1. The keywords: happy, church, happy, church, every day, sing, pray, hymn, hymn, a hymn book, hymn, pastor, cross, picture, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. What do you see in the picture? Now you can see that this is a church, okay? This is a picture of Jesus Christ. This is a cross. This is the pastor. This is the pulpit. These are the congregation or the church members. What they have in their hand is a hymn book. A hymn book is a book in which Christians sing from in church, okay, or they used to sing songs from it in church. Now let's come to the main passage. The people are very happy. The people are very happy. They are in the church. They are in the church. Every day they sing and pray. Every day they sing and pray. They are singing from their hymn books. They are singing from their hymn books. The pastor is standing in front of them. The pastor is standing in front of them. So this is the pastor. He is in front of the congregation, in front of them. There is a cross on the wall. This is the cross on the wall. There is a picture of Jesus Christ on the wall. This is also the picture of Jesus Christ on the wall. Do you go to church? Do you go to church? On what day do you go to church? On what day do you go to church?